3 o'clock and it's hella windy outside. Good thing our tent is pretty covered, but you can hear the wind outside. Crazy.
Roy? It's good, baby? Let me see. Let me see your back. Go. Right. Battleship. Let's check on mine. Yes, sir. Woo. I've been wanting to go backpacking this year. Just never found the time yet. And this time, the weather's amazing. It's a little windy, but you know, I'm using my old tent. It's like 4-season tent. A little heavy. I definitely have something lighter, but I'm gonna use this one just to try it out. I've been using it for like since last year. I used it once, but overlanding. This time I'm actually taking it backcountry, so I'll see you on the trail. So it's about 2:20. Super bright right now. I don't know if I should have my sunglasses but I kind of want to get used to the terrain. I don't really want to be wearing my sunglasses, so quick map check before we go. So we're here 2:27 right now. We're right here, and we're gonna go first right, then second left, then third right. Recording the track. Nice. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Roy? You loving it or what?
It's hot for you.
I was thinking, since I brought like 2 dehydrated meals, I think when we get to the campsite, set up the camp, and we'll make one just to, you know, get some energy up, and save one for the night. It's 2 right now. I know I'm not hungry, but I'm thinking about it. You know what it is. The trail is pretty crisp. So the snow is probably 2 days old snow. Pretty crisp. We just got to my first Y, and I marked it to turn right. I mean to take the right. But now, looking at the trail, the track is on the left, and the one I marked is uncharted. So no one's been there. But we're gonna stick to the plan and head that way. Let's go. I went minimal for this trip. I'll show you what I have when we get to the campsite. I'm wearing all my old hunting clothes. Royce is beast though. He's already all the way there. How you doing there? Good? Breaking trail now. I don't know if it's a good idea to leave my snowshoes. I'm sinking pretty deep. I don't know if you can see it. And the entire trail is uncharted. Roy?
You good?
It's getting really hot and we're moving slow because it's just deep. We basically have to break the trail entire way, I think. And the snow's so fresh, you can't even hear my footstep right now. Now we're half in and we lost the trail. There's no orange tape anywhere. I don't want to risk taking random ass turns, especially for a place I've never been to. Even though I have my Onyx with me, I don't want to chance it, you know. So we're just gonna take a break, take a breather, and then apparently if you're hungry, you make bad decisions, man. So I think we're gonna sit down and kind of have some snacks. Look at this spot though. Oh my goodness, we're like surrounded by giants, you know. Over here. 25% fiber. What we have on Mark 3 potential campsites. This campsite is good right now, but we're gonna go check out the other one. And if it's no go, then we're gonna come back here. Windy. Holy crap. Feels good though. Maybe because we're moving and we're not cold. It's so dark over there. And look at this side. So I marked our first campsite in this spot. You can kind of see why. Look at the 360 views around We got to the second Y and there's no trail, like, and I've never been here before, so I don't want to keep bushwhacking anyway. There's a storm approaching. It's really dark right here. Man, this is a pretty good spot. We don't see any orange tape anywhere. That's a sign of don't go, I guess. I mean, safety first always. If we can't find the orange tapes, I think we're gonna camp up right here. It's windy on this side because it's wide open over here. But I think if we can camp by the bank over here. It's blue out there right now. And if you turn around this way, look at this. Freaking storm approaching over there. You can tell the difference. We're like in the middle, so it's like one side is like black and one side is blue. So we're just gonna take it easy and set up base camp over here. Explore around a little bit before it gets too dark. So I dig a little hole just to sleep on the snow to push the ground about probably like 10 inches. I'm gonna set up my 12-year-old tent. Just finished setting up all my sleeping system. This is how it looks like inside. X bed, R7, pillow, and my North Face Inferno 800 Pro. Should be good. It's a 4-season tent, and the wind is coming that way. I position it this way. Also, the sunset is that way. Tomorrow we'll be greeted by the sunrise over here. And the ground is frozen. We just kind of buried our pegs in snow and hope for the best. Our camp is set up and the sun just set it. So we're gonna cook some meals and enjoy the views, man. Look at this. It's already like 5 something, but it's not dinner yet. It's more of a snack. I'm saving my best one for later when it's dark. Grilled chicken with spinach Alfredo pasta. Pasta. Is that how you say it? Holy crap, this is good, yo.
Here we go. Let me try some.
Good. The sun's about to set. The storm kind of moved away, so that's good. I think what we're gonna do though, it's getting kind of cold. The wind it hits here and there. It's just freezing, man. So I'm gonna layer up. Had a little bit of situation there. Tried to save the warmth from the meal. Put in his pocket. But the meal was thinking something else. And spilled all over his body. You good?
No. Dry again.
Yeah, dry again. So I'm talking about, man.
Quick thinking there.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh,
good clutch. I thought something was happening there. Like, yo, why is he moving so fast? Yeah. Got him. Got him or what?
Yeah.
We're eating our last meal of the night. I have biscuits and sausage gravy. Sounds fire. I like this brand. This brand is dope because you don't need a lot of water. It's freeze dried. It's not dehydrated. The dehydrated one, I believe, is like you need more water. And this one is like you don't need to be boiling a lot of snow. I think I brought like 3 liters and that's about it. Roy's already eating his. What do you think, Mom?
Eating.
Yeah? Nice. It's 8 o'clock and Roy just finished dinner. 8:02 right now. Charging my phone because I'm filming everything with my phone and GoPro, so just charging it. I didn't check my inReach yet, but I'll update when I check it. But it's pretty cold. I don't know how cold though. Damn, I remember these. This is good. Man, this thing's good though. There's a lot of meat in there. Gravy too. Here we go. Night falls upon us. It's 3 o'clock and it's hella windy outside. It's not that cold though. I didn't even get any condensation. Good thing our tent is pretty covered, but you can hear the wind outside. Crazy. Still windy, but our tent held up pretty good. Good morning, number 2. I got up earlier, but I went back to sleep because it was still windy, and now it's almost 10. Our plan is we're just gonna pack up, head to the car, drive somewhere with a view, and eat there. Yeah, catch you in a bit. Yo, what's up? You ready?
Getting ready.
So I got these organizers. They're pretty light. This is where I put all my electronics, GoPros, batteries, and this is my hygiene stuff and a little bit of a first aid kit. The thing about winter backpacking is when you come out, everything is so tidy, and now we're just trying to pack up as fast as possible, and it's looking kind of gnarly right now. Seems like it doesn't even fit. We survived the night. It was warm last night. I was overheating around 4 a.m. and had to strip down, had to take off almost all my layers except my base layer. And I woke up this morning and there's a pool of water underneath my sleeping pad. Maybe because I was way too warm and it melted and it went up. I don't know. I thought I spilled my water because there's a pool of water inside. But I think that's what happened. Or let me know what happened. How's your sleep, man? got it though. All packed up and ready to roll. Oi.
Ready, yeah?
Roy's all the way down there. Down the hill. I don't know if you can see him, but there's coming up.
So we're gonna drive to a spot where there's a view, and we're gonna make some brunch. So it's about 12 right now.
We found this vantage point. It's pretty sick, but it's cold. You know, mountains over there. Cooking right now, and yeah, we're just gonna eat, and that's all she wrote. See you guys later.